still here.
I do. I'm tired of taking a cab every day to this office. The cost. I should just get a car of my own. I don't have that kind of money yet.
Do you need a new or fairly used car? Even if you don't have enough money to make the payment, then you should speak to Leaseasy Logistics today. With zero initial deposit, you can drive away with the car of your choice and start a payment plan 1 month after you've picked up the car.
Wow!
That's where I got my car from.
Really?
Yes, it's that easy with Leaseasy. Come, let me give you a ride.
Thank you.